Is it recording now? Yep. So, as I was saying, I love this AdvoCare Spark Energy because it has vitamin B6 and vitamin B12, which I need for my energy. And then they have this herbal cleanse, dietary supplement cleansing system. So I don't know what it is, but it looks like, para pala siyang ano, I can hear it. So para siyang, come on. Another pills to take. I don't like taking pills, but let's just see. The herbal cleanse is composed of probiotics, which I need to take in the morning, and vitamin and herbal dietary supplement in the evening. So this one has 20 caps, and this one also has 20 caps. Now, I also found out that they gave me a welcome package since I enrolled to be, what do you call that? What do you call them? Preferred customer. Ayan, I have greens powder, lemon natural. Ano to? Oh my gosh. Greens powder. Phytonutrient supplement, another supplement. And dietary fiber. Oh, dietary supplement fiber. I don't know how I'm going to use that, but that's what I will be using. Sige, let's open that one. Okay. What's inside? Oh, packages. Oh, 10 grams fiber per serving, promotes regularity, aid in appetite controlled, and flavor. So I can put this in my smoothie or something like that. Oh, that's so nice. Plus this one. Okay, hold on, guys. Another green powder. What's a green powder? Green powder. It's just like, I think what's inside this? Blend, shake, or stir contents of 1 pound into 8 fluid ounces of water. Oh my gosh! It's the greens that are here are barley grass, spinach, wheatgrass, alfalfa, juice, concentrate, broccoli, kale, spirulina, extract, carrot, green tea extract, green coffee extract, and corellia and kelp. Okay, and it has a lot of iron, 11% ang iron, which I really need. Okay, dietary fiber is also 11%. Wow! Now I'm excited. I'm gonna start with this tomorrow. Andyan pa ba kayo? Galaw-galaw naman. And the last one, and I have the instruction from my coach. I need to have a coach for this one or else I'm gonna fall off. Ito pa. Ang dami natin ano. Alright. Free sample just for you. Oh, rehydrate. Another rehydrate sample. Grape electrolyte mix. I like that. Ounce to ounce. 71% less sugar. Okay, that's one. This one is the AdvoCare Preferred Customer. Okay, so let's open this. What is inside? Is it just notices and what to do? Oh, very cute. Look at this, guys. Oh, okay. Preferred customers. At AdvoCare, we are committed to creating a better you through your world-class nutrition, weight management, and sport performance products. An AdvoCare preferred customer, you can enjoy these scientifically backed product at an exclusive membership discount, a wealth of product information, and our total satisfaction guarantee. Very nice. Very, very nice. I love that. And what else do we have? Let's see what kind of samples they give us. Okay, what's this? We believe. Ano to? Sales aid bundle. Product catalog. Oh, okay. These are just the things that they are selling. And obviously, they gave me another sample. Oh, I love this. I have the fruit punch. I love the fruit punch. Mango strawberry is what I really, really love. The grape and the watermelon. How many are inside? 8 sticks. Ah, okay. That's not bad at all. Because I paid like $20 extra just to be a member. So this is good. I am so excited. Excited ang peg. So we're gonna start that off tomorrow. Okay, this one says, for the next 10 days, consume the following: morning, 30 minutes before breakfast. Take two probiotic restore ultra capsule with breakfast to AdvoCare fiber. Ah, tapos kakainin na yung fiber. Night, bedtime, take 2 herbal cleanse. Dalawa pala siya, te. Drink plenty of water. Consume a well-rounded, healthy diet while taking herbal cleanse. Follow a diet rich in whole grains, fresh fruits, and vegetables. Drink plenty of water. Avoid fried, heavy food and junk food. Do not take thermogens, color packets, Thermoplus, or AdvoCare Slim when using herbal cleanse. All other AdvoCare products may be continued but should be taken several hours after consuming the fiber. A herbal cleanse should only be used once every 90 days. Ah, okay. Alright, so I'm gonna start that off tomorrow. Let's start it tomorrow. Not today, but tomorrow. We're good. Oy, Ronel Crison is here. Let's go. Island, Texas Life. Hello, host. Good PM sa lahat. Hello, hello. So I will turn off my This has been Mommy Ann and the Wilson Sunday Go. We have unboxed 3 boxes and I was so happy, obviously, very much to try on this AdvoCare. It is not sponsored. I bought it for myself. And let's see, starting tomorrow, if there will be results to this. So I am gonna vlog this for this week, maybe for the 10 days. I'm gonna vlog this if I could remember. Bye for now, guys. I love you. See ya.